The moment Kia lifted the cover, everything shifted. This is not the Telluride you think you know. This is the one that turns every competitor nervous. The one that flips the three-row SUV segment on its head. And the wildest part is that almost nobody expected Kia to make a move this bold. If you thought the X Pro was impressive, wait until you see what the Hybrid brings to the table. Before we dive in, hit LIKE for the algorithm and show some love to the next gear channel. Now buckle up, because things escalate quickly. What makes this new Telluride Hybrid such a disruption? It starts with the numbers. The gas version sticks with its 247 horsepower Turbo 4. And while it does not scream headline power, the torque punch is serious. But the Hybrid, that is where the fireworks begin. Over 300 horsepower, a muscle-level 339 pound-feet of torque, and a target of 35 miles per gallon in something this tall and square. How often do you see brute force and efficiency living in the same body? Walk up to it from the front and the message is clear. Sharp lines, bold stance, and a grille design that looks ready to push the air itself out of the way. It is squared, it is confident, and it leans into a luxury-inspired look without pretending to be anything else. You circle around, you start seeing hints that Kia is intentionally climbing into premium territory. Four-spoke squared wheels that look engineered for authority. Gloss black accents running up the pillars and along the rails that give the roof a floating effect. And then there is the rear, taper that instantly reminds you of ultra-high-end SUVs. It's vertical taillights that feel sculpted rather than placed, and a stance that makes you look twice. Inside is where Kia throws the curveball. The color Kia calls Blackberry looks like a modern remix of retro luxury. Purple, deep, bold, and something no other SUV in the class even attempts. And the crazy thing is how well it works. The door pulls are integrated inside their grab handles in a way that feels futuristic without being confusing. The dashboard stays flat and clean instead of curving into the doors like its Hyundai cousin. Two 12.3-inch screens stretch across the dash with a slim climate panel floating between them. You get a mix of physical knobs and touch controls, and somehow it lands in the sweet spot instead of feeling compromised. The steering wheel is this squared oval, a shape that should not work, but definitely does. The shifter is a compact rotary dial that keeps the center area neat. Dual wireless chargers sit elevated to keep phones cool. USB-C ports everywhere. Hill descent, cameras, everything feels thought through, not thrown in. And the second row, this is where the Hybrid flexes hard. Power adjustable captain's chairs, seat and ventilation, sunshades. A two-tone interior that feels far more expensive than its class. Even the retractable door handles on the outside make the experience feel premium before you even step in. The third row is, as always, better for kids than adults on long drives. But the space, vents, lighting, and dual sunroof overhead make it far from an afterthought. Then there is the big decision point. Do you pick the rugged X Pro or the elegant Hybrid? The X Pro brings chunky tires and hooks and cladding, but the Hybrid comes with the efficiency and torque that change how this SUV behaves in real life. And with no X Pro Hybrid yet, the choice feels more surprising than expected. Kia did something bold. They made a Telluride that looks premium, drives with hybrid muscle, and still keeps the comfort that made the name famous. This might genuinely be the new benchmark. Comment below, is the Hybrid the one to get? And if you want more next-level reviews, hit like and join the Next Gear channel so you never miss what drops next.